Civil paragraph 100 word per minute speed. This dictation is recorded by Shahid Ramzan, stenographer, Civil Court, Mia Chanu. Ready? Start. This provision in fact presumes the correctness of the address of the defendant as given in the plaint, full stop. If the address is patently insufficient or incomplete, or it comes to the notice of the court that there is such a material defect in the given address as may obviate proper service, the court will not be bound to take steps for the service of the defendant, especially by affixation or publication, unless correct address is given or the defect is removed, full stop. We may observe, that in exercising civil jurisdiction and hearing a suit against a borrower, under section 6 of the ordinance, a special court has all the powers vested in civil court, under the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908, full stop. Rule 8 is not in derogation of the powers vested in the special court under the provisions of CPC, full stop. Reference in this connection may also be made to section 3 of the ordinance, full stop. In the present case, it has already been noticed that there were two identical reports, one from the bailiff of the court and the other from the post office, that the defendants were not residing at the given address, full stop. In such circumstances, a straightaway order for substituted service through publication could not be justified unless it was shown to the satisfaction of the court that the defendants' whereabouts were not known and they could not be served except at their last known address, full stop. We may even go to the extent of saying that even if the court had ordered service through publication simultaneously with order modes and it transpired from the reports of bailiff and postman that the defendant was not residing at the given address, the court was not bound to accept the publication as a good and sufficient service, full stop. In such a case, as already observed, proper course would be to ask the plaintiff to supply correct particulars of defendant's address, full stop. The plaintiff would either comply with the direction or show to the satisfaction of the court that he had no other address of the defendant's, full stop. But if the plaintiff, in spite of being in a position to provide other address, does not provide, or suppresses the same intentionally or through inefficiency, the subsequent ex parte proceedings will be a nullity in the eyes of law, full stop. New para. In the case in hand, the principles underlying provisions of Order 5, Rule 20 of CPC, shall also be attracted in that the order for service by in publication was not made with the order for issue of summons in ordinary manner, full stop.